Chapter 13, SaaS and Software Businesses, Building Tools People Pay For Every Month. SaaS stands for Software as a Service, and it's one of the most profitable and scalable business models on the internet today. Instead of selling a product once, SaaS businesses provide a tool or service online that people pay for on a recurring basis, usually monthly or annually. Think about tools like Zoom, Dropbox, Canva, or project management platforms like Trello and Asana. You don't just buy them once and own them forever. You pay to keep using them. That recurring revenue is what makes SaaS so attractive, because once you have customers, you start each month with income already coming in before you make a single new sale. The basic idea is simple. Create software that solves a specific problem for a specific group of people, and make it available online. Instead of installing it on their computer, users log in through their browser or an app. This makes it easier for them because they can access it from anywhere, and easier for you because you can update and improve the software instantly for all users without them needing to download anything. The global shift toward cloud-based tools means more and more businesses and individuals are comfortable paying for software this way. One of the biggest advantages of SaaS is scalability. Once you've built the product, the cost of adding more users is relatively low. Whether you have 100 users or 10,000, you're not producing physical goods or shipping anything. You're just giving people access to the software you've already created. This means your profit margins can grow dramatically as your customer base grows. Combine that with recurring payments, and you can build a business that's predictable, stable, and valuable in the long run. Of course, creating software can sound intimidating if you're not a developer. But the truth is, you don't always need to code it yourself. Many successful SaaS founders aren't technical at all. They come up with the idea, define what the product needs to do, and then hire developers to build it. You can find freelance developers, partner with a technical co-founder, or even use no-code tools like Bubble or Glide to create functional software without writing a single line of code. What matters most is identifying a clear problem that people are willing to pay to solve. The key to SaaS success is solving a pain point that's urgent and important enough for people to spend money on every month. This could be helping businesses save time, increase sales, manage projects, handle customer relationships, or comply with regulations. It could also be something for individuals, like budgeting apps, fitness trackers, or language learning platforms. The more specific and valuable the problem you solve, the easier it will be to attract and keep paying customers. Marketing a SaaS product usually focuses on showing potential customers exactly how your tool will make their life or work better. Free trials, demos, and freemium models, where users can access basic features for free and pay for advanced ones, are common strategies. The idea is to let people experience the value firsthand so that continuing to pay feels like an easy decision. Once someone starts using your software regularly, switching to something else can be inconvenience. And that's where customer retention becomes your superpower. One thing that makes SaaS different from many other online business models is the importance of customer support and onboarding. Getting someone to sign up is only half the battle. You also need to make sure they understand how to use your product and actually get results from it. The longer they stay, the higher their lifetime value, and the more stable your revenue becomes. That's why great SaaS companies invest heavily in customer success teams, tutorials, and ongoing updates to keep users happy. The challenges in SaaS include the initial cost and time to build the products, competition from other tools, and the constant need to improve and adapt as technology changes. But the upside is enormous. SaaS businesses often sell for much higher valuation than other types of online businesses because of their recurring revenue and scalability. Investors love them, and they can be incredibly lucrative for founders who get them right. For many entrepreneurs, SaaS is the big leagues of online business. It's not the easiest to start, but it can be one of the most rewarding if you have a strong idea, a clear audience, and the persistence to develop and market it effectively. Whether you're building the next big industry tool or a small niche app that serves a loyal community, SaaS has the potential to generate steady, growing income for years to come.